In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Godaddy and Shopify. Choosing the right platform can save you time, reduce stress, and help you build the kind of website you actually want. The decision mainly comes down to what your primary goal is. So in this video, you will learn a simple way to decide between Shopify and Godaddy, based on how you plan to use your site and how quickly you need to get it online. First, choose Shopify. If your primary goal is building a dedicated online store, Shopify is designed specifically for e-commerce, which means it focuses on helping you create a store that can take payments, display products clearly, and manage orders in an organized way. If you are planning to sell products online, Shopify is usually the better fit because it is built around the steps that a store needs to run smoothly. That includes product pages, shopping experiences, and checkout flows that are optimized for customers. To make this decision confidently, think about what your site must do day to day. If your main focus is your catalog, your shopping cart, and your sales process, Shopify will feel natural. It is not just a website with a few selling features. It is a platform that is centered on online commerce. This matters because the more your business grows, the more you benefit from having tools that are made for selling. For example, managing products, handling orders, and supporting ongoing updates tend to be easier when the platform is built for that purpose from the start. Now, before you commit, consider the experience you want your customers to have. A dedicated online store usually means you want a clean, focused layout that highlights products and guides people toward checkout. Shopify supports that kind of structure, so customers can browse confidently and purchase with less friction. If your plan is to build a store as your main online presence, this is the direction you should go. Next, choose Godaddy if you need a quick, budget-friendly informational website with basic selling features. Godaddy is often a strong option when your priority is getting a simple site up and running fast, without making things complicated. It can be a good match for service businesses, creators, or small brands that need an online home where customers can learn about you, read your information, and in some cases purchase a simple offering. At this stage, picture the type of website you are building. An informational website usually emphasizes content like what you do, your services, your location or hours, and ways to contact you. If you do not need a full store experience and you only need basic selling options, Godaddy can provide that without requiring the deeper e-commerce setup that a dedicated store platform requires. Budget friendliness is also an important factor. If you are trying to keep costs low while you validate your idea, test demand, or create an online presence for a new venture, a quick informational site can be a practical first step. Godaddy can help you get online quickly, so you are not stuck waiting for a complex setup. It is especially useful when selling is not the main centerpiece of your website, but you still want a simple way to accept orders or include lightweight purchasing features. Now that you have these two guidelines in mind, the choice becomes straightforward. If you are building a store, Shopify is the best fit. If you are primarily building an informational website and you only need basic selling features, Godaddy is the better match. This rule of thumb keeps the decision aligned with your real needs, so you can spend your time on your business rather than on unnecessary configuration. To wrap it up, focus on one key question. What is your primary goal? A dedicated online store points you toward Shopify. A quick, budget-friendly informational website with basic selling features points you toward Godaddy. That covers everything you need to know.